Most technicians lose KD coins not because the system is complicated, but because no one ever explained how powerful this coin system actually is. One wrong tap, one missed option, and suddenly features stay locked, remotes fail to generate, or you're stuck asking another workshop for help. The crazy part is this entire system is designed to reward active users, not drain them. Once you understand how KD coins really work, you stop wasting points and start using them strategically, like a pro technician should. Hey everyone, what's going on? This is Hussein, and welcome back to Baabji Motors, your trusted workshop companion for real-world automobile diagnostics, programming tools, and hands-on technician knowledge. Today we're breaking down exactly how to get KEYDIY KD coins, how to activate functions properly, and how to share or even activate features for another technician without ever touching their device. If you like practical content that actually saves you money in the workshop, make sure you gently tap like and subscribe right now so you never miss these deep dive guides. Quick disclaimer before we move forward. This video is strictly for educational and informational purposes only. Everything explained here is meant to help technicians, learners, and automotive enthusiasts understand KEYDIY systems better. All product names and trademarks belong to their respective owners and always follow manufacturer instructions and local regulations while working on vehicles. Also, if you're curious about the exact KEYDIY tools I use in my workshop, you'll find them linked in the description. Those are affiliate links, which means the channel gets supported at no extra cost to you. Now here's the big question I want you to think about while watching this video. Is it actually better to save KD coins, or should you spend them aggressively to unlock features faster and grow your workshop income? Stick with me till the very end, because I'll answer that clearly with real workshop logic. Let's start with the most important part, how you actually get KEYDIY KD coins. The first and fastest method is user authentication. Once you complete official user verification inside the KD app, your account receives 50 KD coins automatically. This is a one-time reward, but it's the foundation for everything else. Without verification, many features remain limited. The second and most powerful way to earn KD coins is by generating new remotes using KEYDIY devices. Every time you generate a standard new remote, your account earns 20 KD coins. When you generate a new smart remote, you earn 30 KD coins. Over time, technicians who regularly generate remotes don't even worry about coins because they constantly earn them back. This is KEYDIY's way of rewarding real usage instead of selling coins directly. And yes, coins cannot be purchased directly at all, which is why smart usage matters so much. The third way to get KD coins is through gifts from other users. Another technician can transfer their coins to you directly inside the app. This becomes extremely useful in shared workshops or dealer environments. Think of it like borrowing electricity from a neighboring workshop when your compressor fails, except this time it's digital. Now let's talk about activating functions inside your own KD app. Once you have enough KD coins, activating features is straightforward. Inside the app, you select the required software function, choose KD coins as the payment method, and confirm activation. The system deducts the coins instantly and unlocks the function on your account. No waiting, no external approvals, just instant access. It's smoother than most technicians expect, which is why many overthink it. Here's where things get really interesting. You can also activate functions for your friend or another technician without transferring coins first. Both users must complete user verification. If your account has enough KD coins, you can activate features on their behalf. Inside your KD app, go to the option that allows license activation for another user. Enter your friend's registered phone number, select the function they need, such as MQB-related functions, choose payment via KD coins, and confirm. The coins are deducted from your account, and the feature instantly becomes active on their account. No login sharing, no risky shortcuts, and no wasted time. Now let's cover how to directly share KD coins. If you want to transfer coins instead of activating features, go to your KD coins section and select the transfer option. Enter the recipient's registered phone number, choose how many coins you want to send, and confirm. The transfer completes instantly, and the receiving account will show the updated balance immediately. It's fast, secure, and workshop-friendly. Honestly, it's smoother than sending money through some banking apps, and yes, I've tested both. Here's a small truth from Baabji Motors' experience. Technicians who manage KD coins wisely never panic when a new vehicle or function shows up. They stay calm, unlock features faster, and finish jobs quicker. That's the real advantage here. Now, let's answer the question I asked earlier. Should you save KD coins or spend them? The smart move is balance. Save coins for high-value functions, but don't hesitate to spend them when a feature directly helps you finish a job or earn customer trust. Coins in use don't grow, but features unlocked can bring repeat customers and higher income. My personal opinion is simple. KEYDIY built this system to reward active technicians, not hoarders. Use the coins intelligently, help fellow technicians when possible, and your workshop reputation grows along with your skills. Here's a quick fun tip before we wrap up. Many technicians don't realize that regularly generating remotes not only earns coins, but also keeps your app account activity healthy, which helps avoid random restrictions or delays in feature access. If this video cleared your confusion, I want you to drop your thoughts in the comments and share how you personally use KD coins in your workshop. Smash the like button if this guide helped you. Let's push this video toward 10,000 likes and flood the comments with 1,000 comments so the algorithm knows this content matters. Share it with your technician friends, support the channel by using the affiliate links in the description, and if you really believe in what we're building at Baabji Motors, consider joining the channel membership. Your support helps us grow stronger, reach #1, and keep delivering honest workshop knowledge. I know my loyal subscribers will definitely show up. Thanks for watching, keep upgrading your skills, and I'll see you in the next Baabji Motors video.